Hi guys, it's me, Leigh, with Victorian Dreams by Leigh, and I'm here to do a project share. I hope that the sound of the computer with the fan on isn't bugging you, because it bugs me and it's coming on every now and then. So, okay, let's get started. I am here for a DT project share, and I'm actually here for Janie. Thank you, Janie, for thinking of me. And Janie, her blog is Crafter's Castle, and her YouTube channel is JJGZ Forever. And all the links will be down below. And then also, I am here. How Janie does it is she has a blog, and each month she has a different store or company she represents them, and has the design team do different projects. So each month I'm going to be crafting with different projects and different people, and so jump to Janie's blog so that you know what's going on. She has challenges. She has so many people that are posting on her blog. Like, for one challenge 1 month is over 120, 150 people. It's quite a bit. So you get so much inspiration and everything, and technology and ideas and tutorials. So it's wonderful. But for this month, for February, I've already done a video about 5 videos back, and you'll see the people's name, Crafter's Castle, and you'll see VectoriaDesigns, and it is spelled with VEC. So when you go to her Etsy, which all the links will be down below, make sure you put an E in it or you'll have a hard time finding it. But they have an Etsy, a YouTube channel, a Facebook group, and a blog. And all the links will be down below. I know I keep saying that, but if you go to her blog, you get free images, and I'll show you just for joining up, and I'll show you what you get. And on her YouTube channel, she'll also give free images every now and then too. But you really need to go to her store. She has thousands of images that you want to buy. Trust me. I need to even shop in there. And also, I want to tell you that HP has a link that I will put down below, and you can buy for $10 a month subscription, 300 pages to print, or for 100 pages, $5, or for 50 pages, $3, and it will know when your ink is low. So you hook up your printer ink to their website, and when my ink goes low, they send me ink. Misty is the one that told me about this, and I've been sitting with her, and the mailman's come, and she's gotten her ink, and she's like, oh, I'm a little low, and it's not even out, it's just low. So for $10 a month to fill up your HPs and get 300 pages to print in a month. Now we can do that because we own our own land survey company, but you may say, I don't need that much. But boy, to buy ink, and when you go to the stores, is so much money. So that is a great deal. Okay, let's get started, because I'm here for the design team for VectoriaDesigns. And so this is what you get if you sign up to her blog for free, an image. That's really nice. I have so many ideas with that one. Then you get these, and if you're doing junk journals, look at the depth and the colors, and you get like 9 of them to sign up when you sign up on her blog. I mean, there is a lot of different ones, and you know, I know those junk journal things are taken off, they're everywhere. And so instead of you having the ink and the going through all that different stuff and sprays, there you go, it's right there. And this is just on paper. You can do it on cardstock. So my projects today is Easter banner, and this is what I'm going to be using right here. Those images, I didn't use them all because I wanted on the door, and I didn't need it as long. So I think I used 1 out of each or 2 out of each. So that, and this is just on paper, but on cardstock, you can use whatever cardstock you want. And also I'm going to be using this paper. And I love this paper. This is even great for junk journaling and planning and all this. Let's see, do I have it upside down? I don't. This I do. But here is another set. I think this set was 6 pages. For this set to buy, that was 3 pages when you buy it. But isn't this beautiful? Isn't that nice? And look at the depth and color, and look at that dancing and all. So that's the 2 projects I'm going to do today. She does give you instructions, and here is, look at this. This is a box. It could have been a 3rd project. All I had to do was fussy cut this out. Well, I would print it on cardstock. Fussy cut this out, the top and the bottom, and score it. How simple is that? I could have done this project, and she gives you the cards and the little cards to go. You know, I can put these on bottles and all kind of stuff, and cans, and really organized. I could have done this project, but time got away when I went out of town last weekend for my birthday. But everything has instructions, just not this one. And then, guys, remember 5 videos back for Sarah's birthday. No, I went to town. I went to Florida last weekend. It was my birthday, but for Sarah, I gave it to her for Valentine's, my daughter. And so I made an explosion box, and you saw that video. And if you didn't, jump back and look at it. It's just a little project share. It's not, what, 5-7 minute long video. And you can fast forward, and you hear me go, boop, 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 talk real fast. So, and I made a night light also. I cut the middle out of this on cardstock and made a night light, a explosion box, and a banner for her. And so, so that's my stuff that I got from VectoriaDesigns too. And here is the banner that I made. And now this is on the cardstock, and look how beautiful it printed. She has thousands of stuff to choose from, guys. I'm telling you, you really, really need to jump over and look at her Etsy store. She has very vintage. She has very modern. You know, you're looking for that Christmas stuff that's real popular that has the pinks and the vintage. You should really go check out her store. It's beautiful. So now let me stop talking and show you what I made. Here is the Easter banner, and I put it on cardstock. It's quite easy to make. This trim all came from my local Hobby Lobby store. And, you know, I could have added more flowers and dangle, but I wanted to focus on the images. And so here's the images. I did put a little bit of ink on the edges. I have just throw away what is this? You know what this is. I can't think of what it is because I'm recording. Okay, so anyway, all I did was tape it on and then glue the trim with my hot glue gun, glue the trim on the back, and I'll show you the back so you can see what it looks like. So that's how quick and easy and simple it is. It's very, very easy. And I've made videos, so if you put in my search bar banner, you'll see a tutorial. So there's the one project. I love it. I think it turned out so nice. I can't wait to put it on my door. So, you know, and it's perfect that I can hang it above the door too and all. But I like this. I like this size. I'm happy with it. And I put a little bling on the 3 corners, but I wanted to focus on the images because, and I also printed this on a beigey color, not white, because I want it to look vintage. So, okay, here's one. And then the other one, I used the music paper and I used the clipboard. And I've made a tutorial on the banner and I made a tutorial on this clipboard. It's got a pocket. The trims all came from my local Hobby Lobby. And so you can use this as a calendar and put a calendar date here or to-do list, and all your calendar information being here, and each month say, okay, we're done with January, let's put February. There's a pocket. I like it. You could do a second pocket, but the reason why I didn't go up higher with this pocket is because that is a clipboard. You know, you see how it has the little hole here? You put that on the wall. This could go for outgoing mail. This could go for love letters, remembering different things. You know, so you could use this for all kind of stuff. It could go in your craft room for just, you know, love notes that you get. I get love notes from my husband, and I get cards all the time. So that's what I'm thinking I'm going to use it for. So, okay, guys, all my links are down below. I hope that you like my project shares. I hope that you go join both blogs. My links are down below, and push on the links. It will take you to where you need. And if you got to jump back to this video, it will be here for you. So I hope you like this. I really, really enjoyed making it. I'm grateful to be a part of this. Also, you know, I have Glue Gun Chronicles, and so join Glue Gun Chronicles. I have a challenge each month, and you get to get a prize, one winner, and you don't have to send it to me. You get to keep it. So hopefully you'll join that and hit the little bell. So yeah, guys, thanks for being here. Bye.